The ocean stirs the heart, inspires the imagination and brings eternal joy to the soul. But what if the imagination turns into horror and the reality reveals terrifying truths? Scientists have made a startling discovery where the high levels of cocaine have been detected in sharks. Real or imagination? It even leading to the nickname as cocaine sharks. Yes, this revelation comes from a study conducted by the Oswaldo Cruz Foundation in Brazil, which found that Brazilian sharp-nosed sharks in Rio de Janeiro tested positive for cocaine. Remarkably, the cocaine levels in these sharks were 100 times higher than in other marine animals. Let's unravel the whole enigma. How does cocaine affect sharks and other aquatic animals? Although it is a drug, can we consider its impact on these animals as a form of animal abuse? Well, sharks do not metabolize cocaine as quickly as do humans, and a longer-lasting presence of the drug could disturb their endocrine system and thus hormone regulation, says Daniel D. Snow, a professor and lab director at the Nebraska Water Center who has studied the presence of steroids in rivers. The research, which involved capturing 13 sharks using small fishing boats, highlights a troubling trend. Smugglers often dump excess drugs into the ocean, and large amounts of cocaine are regularly discarded near Florida and throughout South and Central America. This study provides compelling evidence linking these drug dumps to the contamination of marine life, specifically sharks. Sharks were chosen for the study due to their extended lifespans in coastal waters, making them more susceptible to pollution. The scientists tested the muscles and liver tissues of the sharks using liquid chromatography with tandem mass spectrometry. This technique separates molecules in a liquid to detect substances like cocaine and benzoylic guanine, the primary metabolite of cocaine. Here, experts remain uncertain about the exact pathways through which cocaine enters the marine environment. Some suggest that illegal cocaine production labs could be a source, while others propose that drug excrement from users might contribute to the contamination. Despite these findings, researchers acknowledge that the scope of this study is limited and much more research is needed. The long-term effects of cocaine on aquatic life are still not fully understood, and further investigation is required to grasp the full impact of this contamination on marine ecosystems.